Series connected resistances. Resistors are said to be connected in series when they are daisy chained together in a single line. Then, resistors in series have a common current flowing through them, as the current that flows through one resistor must also flow through the others, as it can only take one path. This is the objective for a Labyrinth 5.
The material that we're going to use in this experiment is the FET simulator, Circuit Construction Kit DC.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kris Orbina and I am assigned on the procedure. We need to find the needed values with 1 or 2 voltmeters. We need to make a series with 3 ammeter and 2 capacitors between them. We also set the voltage into 24 ohms and we then change the values of our capacitors in different trials so that we can gather our data.
Hello guys, my name is Suplido, the one that is assigned in our data diagram and computations. As you can see here in our table, we assign a constant value for the total voltage, which is 15 volts. We also assign values for R1 and R2, which are of the following: 10 and 15, 20 and 25, 30 and 35. With the formula RT is equals to R1 plus R2, we'll get the total resistance. Afterwards, we put the assigned values to the FET simulator and get the resulting currents and voltages. We repeated the same process all throughout the trials. That is all for our data diagram and computations. Now we move on to the analysis.
I'm here to talk about the analysis. In this laboratory, we're doing a series circuit. Series is a type of circuit where the resistors are connected in a series chained together in a single line. For this lab experiment, there is a procedure demonstrated by Mr. Orbina. Shown in the circuit, the current in each resistor are the same with the current in all over the resistor. Upon observation, the total current is the current in each individual resistor. The total voltage of the current circuit is equal to the sum of it, and it should be equal to the battery. And the total resistance is the sum of individual resistances.
Thank you, Jules, for the explanation about the series connection with the resistance. There are points to talk about with series. As we had observed, because the series is just a singular line of connection, where resistance, are in the same line. If ever the series circuit is cut off in one part of the series circuit, it would be fully cut off from everything. So anything in between will have their connection cut out with the series circuit. So, and also take into consideration that the resistance are in the same circuit, we have to add them all together so that we can get the total resistance for this series circuit. Thank you everyone for listening, and we can move on now to our conclusion.
Good day, I'm Geffroi Recabar, and I will present our conclusion for our laboratory experiment number 5 as a member of EINSTEIN group number 3. Resistors are said to be connected in series when they are daisy chained together in a single line. Since all the current flowing through the first resistor has no other way to go, it must also pass through the second resistor and the third. Then resistors in series have a common current flowing through them, as the current that flows through one resistor must also flow through the other, as it can only take one path. Therefore, I conclude that we have verified the principles that govern resistances which are connected in series. Thank you.